Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Before my speech, I will show you this picture. And then, what do you think about this picture? Do you feel comfortable, or do you feel fresh, or others? Yes, of course. This picture is hydroponic plants. Now, my name is Tiara Irawan Fitri. My student number is 221. Now I want to explain about hydroponics plant and the scope of hydroponics plant. In the scope in hydroponics plant, there are a profit, benefit, and the things needed for hydroponic and the last example. Let's start to the first. There is a definition of hydroponic. Hydroponics plant come from two words. The first one is plant, and then the second is hydroponic. Plants have the meaning of there are immediately plant to produce something that can be used as result, while hydroponic is a planting system without using soil media, either with water or other media, by prioritizing the fulfillment of plant nutrition needed. And then, what the scope in hydroponic? Okay, now I will explain the scope in hydroponic system, starting from the profit, and then the benefits, and then the important things needed in hydroponics plant, and the last example. Let's start to the first. There is a profit of planting with hydroponics plant. The first one is does not require soil as a planting medium, because it can be replaced by using water as a planting medium. Therefore, there is no need to bother looking for fertilized soil, because the plant media is replaced with water. And then the second is does not require a lot of air, because the air will continue the circulation or die in the system that has been made previously. And then number 3 is cleaner and more sterile, because the planting medium used is water, so there is no scarce soil that cause the environment to become messy. To the benefit, there are 3 benefits can we get when you use hydroponics plant. The first one is save land, because it uses a hydroponic system, so it doesn't require a large area and we can save more land. And then number 2 is provide higher quality yields, because the nutrition provided between ordinary plants and hydroponics plant, the result often are different. Hydroponics plant will produce higher quality. And then number 3 is make the house color and refreshing, because many plants in the house will make the home being comfortable and fresh. So the things to consider in hydroponic plants. The first one is water quality. Water quality is important factor, because in the hydroponic cultivation process, water is the basic transportation system. In hydroponics plant, water dissolve and transport nutrition to plants and their root system. On the other hand, water also function to dissolve a lot of dirt that can harm plants. Okay, the second is light. Hydroponics plant needed sunlight to grow. Hydroponics plant needed about 4 until 6 hours in day, and then 10 hours of indirect sunlight. If it is moderate, using the light takes about 15 until 16 hours in day. Number 3 is nutrition. Nutrition in hydroponics plant are substances needed by hydroponics plant to grow and develop properly. The purpose of providing nutrition to hydroponics plant is to add nutrition needed by hydroponics plant. And then number 4 is oxygen. Hydroponics plant needed oxygen to function for the aerobic respiration process. In the area around the roots, oxygen will dissolve itself into the plants. This process will produce the energy needed to grow in hydroponics plant. And then the last is temperature. Temperature in hydroponics plant to absorb nutrition. Hydroponics plant can grow with good quality and high productivity if the temperature can be maintained. A good temperature is the temperature range of 5 degrees Celsius until 5 degrees Celsius for vegetable crops and temperature between 15 degrees Celsius until 25 degrees Celsius for fruit plants. These 5 components are very important because they will affect the good or bad of the plant and whether the plants are planted. Okay, now I will give the example for hydroponic plants. The first one is kale, and then the second is spinach, and the third is mustard, and the last is celery. So I can conclude that planting with hydroponic system has many advantages in addition to not requiring a large area of land. With hydroponic as well as a product higher quality plants. And I think that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.